Everybody Forrest here, opening 21-22 Flawless Basketball Hobby 1 box number 34. Left side serial numbers. Let's random, and then we'll rip. Good luck, everybody. Names and numbers the same amount of times. We'll put them side by side to see who's got which number. Going 5 times. I don't know. Probably trade him, right? Probably trade him, Shady. He's definitely played more than that, but that's what it feels like.
Oh my, that was terrible.
What?
Pick.
Holmes threw a bad pick?
Yeah, terrible.
5 times here. Names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bradley R. Down to Chang S. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 21 down to 19. 21. Bradley R 21, Ching L 6, Oriole 12, Bradley R 10, 16, 11, Daniel L 24, Bradley R 14, Jason H 1, Bradley R 4, 8, 22, 7, 13, and 15, Dale C with 17, Bradley R 3 and 23, Peter M 18, Harper with 25 and 9, Rembert with 2, Bradley with 20 and 5, and Chang S with 19. I'll call it the hits as we go along. Here comes the link to the results if you ever want to check them out. LaytonSportsCards.com, bottom of the homepage where you can find those. And the search bar works as well. Very handy tool, that search bar. Oh, Jets got the classic 5 points in the NFL. Jets gonna make this a game. Oh, horse collar tackle. Oh boy. Oh boy. Jets are cooking. Don't let Zach Wilson cook. See ya, Enrico.
See ya.
What a story it would be if Zach Wilson, he has 2 wins and they're against the Bills and Chiefs. What a story that would be. Is it offensive? Oh, offensive face mask, right? Oh no, they call it defense? Or is it offsetting? Oh, they call it on. Come on, man. His hand is like on his face mask. If anything, that should be offsetting personal fouls. That's ridiculous. Such a broken rule. Look at his hand.
Yeah.
That's a bad. Yeah, that should be like a personal foul on both of them, and just like replay the down or something. He's about to cook the Chiefs right here.
Oh!
Oh my God, that would have been actually insane. That would have been ridiculous. I know. He just missed them. 1 of 15 on the Siakam nameplate. 1 spot. That is Jason H. There you go in the 1 spot. Got Greg Brown III, the horizontal patch rookie auto. Numbered 9 out of 10, the 9 spot. That's going to Harper. Good looking card, that one with the gold foil. Derek Fisher, 12 of 15 on the distinguished autograph. He's got a crazy signature. 12 spot. Where is the 12 spot? Oriole to 12 spot. Julius Randle. That's a Lakers Julius Randle. 13 to 15 draft gem signatures. 13 spots. Bradley. That's Randle. That's a good one. Next up, 5 of 5 on the letter patch auto. RJ Barrett. Great looking card there. 5 spots. Bradley R. First down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Zach Wilson. Uh-oh. Back that. Excellent autograph. Rookie Cameron Thomas, 4 of 5 on the Emeralds. Nice Cameron Thomas. 4 spot. Bradley R. He does have a pretty decent signature. Cameron Thomas. Next up is Shea Gilgeous-Alexander draft gem signatures. 5 of 10. SGA. He is so damn good. Bradley R again. Young SGA right there. That's going into a mag. And this is going into a mag too. The 25 spot came through. That's Harper with the patch auto of Chris Paul.
Wow.
25 spot, 3-color game used Suns patch auto. Dude, that's pretty sick actually.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's fire. That's one of the better 25 spot hits I think I've ever seen in the serial number break. That's disgusting. That's such an awesome CP3. Diamond Gem 10 of 20 is Klay Thompson. Diamond Gem 10 spot, Bradley R. And last hit of Flawless Basketball tonight. 10th anniversary rookie signature Jalen Green 11 of 15. Bradley with that 11 spots.
Jeez.
Gorgeous. Ruby foil color match as always. That is sick. That is sick. Good overall case, I would say, between the last break and this one. Good case.
Solid.
Pretty solid. Thanks again, everybody. On to football.